What is a user keyword? A user keyword is nothing but the keyword that is defined within your robot file by the user itself. In other words, a user keyword is a keyword which make use of other library keywords. It just makes use of different library keywords and creates a keyword of its own. The user uses the keywords of different libraries and creates the keyword of his own. So that is called a user keyword. For example, let's create a keyword now. The first thing is, as like the variables and test cases, we have a separate section called keywords. So just click on K. The PyCharm will auto-populate keywords. Whatever keywords you want to define, you have to define within this section, keyword section. What is the format? The syntax and format for defining a keyword is same as like a test case. How you are defining a test case, you have to define a keyword. You have to provide a name and then you have to provide the actions with an indentation. The only difference between the keyword and test case is you can execute a test case, but you can't directly execute a keyword. If you want to execute a keyword, you have to use it within some test case. Let's create a keyword for this arithmetic operation itself. Let's imagine that we have this arithmetic operation which has to be performed in multiple test cases. Then instead of copying these lines inside all the test cases, what we can do, we can just copy this within a keyword and we can call this keyword from different test cases. Now let's create a keyword. First is you have to provide a keyword name. There is no rules for defining a keyword name. The only rule is it should be descriptive so that anyone who is reading the keyword can understand what is the action it is performing. For example, let's give arithmetic operations. We can just copy paste this code. So what this code is performing, we are just defining new variables. We are calling the evaluate keyword. If you just look at what this is performing, it just evaluates the given expression in Python and returns the result. So what we are doing is we are just adding two variables. Similarly, we are multiplying, we are dividing and subtracting as well, and we are printing the value here. So this is my first test case for arithmetic operations 1. What I have to do, I have to just call this keyword, that's it. Similarly, I will create one more test case. Okay, what this test case is going to perform? The same action. Indentation, copy, paste. So we are just calling the same keyword from two different test cases. Let's run it. Okay, it's passed. Let's open it. The first test case, you can see the test case is calling keyword arithmetic operations. If you open it, it will show what the actions it is performing. It's evaluating different functionalities and it is printing the results here. You can see addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. Similarly, we have one more test case which is calling the same arithmetic operations and it also performs the same actions. There is no change. So this is the main use of keywords. Reusability of the code. Instead of defining the same action again and again in different test cases, you can create keyword and reuse it.